I'm an electrical engineer apprentice and my day-to-day activities are checking machinery, breakdowns and temperature uniformity surveys to make sure that we meet Rolls-Royce standards. So the AMRC Training Centre was really good for me because I got to meet loads of new people. The training was to a good standard, the facilities were great, loads of amazing machinery there, and yeah, I feel I did well there, so it must have been a great training centre.
Josh came to us straight from school with very little practical experience, and he's adapted extremely well to our quite dangerous and challenging heavy industry environment. He's very safe, very conscientious, and he looks after his colleagues very, very well. Josh has become a very important member of the team, and he's done a number of projects that are very important to us. In the future, we're quite confident that Josh will become our instrumentation engineer.
The positives of working at TCR are meeting loads of different people, loads of different types of people. I get to do varied jobs from electrical to mechanical to working on every machine here, and I feel like it's challenging me, and hopefully in the future I'll get to carry on with my education and get somewhere higher in the business.